Barbecue masters faced off today at the Flint Farmers Market. The 10th annual barbecue battle featured several professional barbecue experts from the Flint area. Contestants were judged on their ribs by certified celebrity and guest judges. So what's the secret to award-winning barbecue? Here's what a couple of pit masters shared with us today.
All low and slow, cooking with all wood, no propane, no charcoal.
We smoke it with hickory wood, and then our spice rub that we use has 17 herbs and spices that we mix.
Sounds pretty good. Well, the event also featured live entertainment.